Hello and welcome to this Pearson Primary Unit briefing. In this video I'll be taking you through our unit on Prehistoric Britain. The study of Prehistoric Britain is a statutory national curriculum requirement which states that pupils in Key Stage 2 should be taught about changes in Britain from Stone Age to the Iron Age. Non-statutory examples of areas of study include late Neolithic hunter-gatherers and early farmers, for example, Skara Brae. Bronze Age religion, technology and travel, for example, Stonehenge. Iron Age hill forts, tribal kingdoms, farming, art and culture. This unit explores each of these areas and much more, balancing breadth and depth of study. It takes pupils from the Iron Age to the discovery of metal, encompassing tens of thousands of years. So, let's take a closer look at the work booklet that pupils will complete as they move through this unit. The booklet begins with a knowledge organiser, which includes a visual timeline for pupils to gain a sense of the chronology of the different ages. There are also images introducing pupils to some prehistoric animals, stone tools, and a map of Europe during the Ice Age. Each of the 6 lessons is framed around an inquiry question. It may be helpful to share this question at the beginning of the lessons to frame the learning, as well as ending the lesson by having pupils jot their key reflections in the learning review column here. Now, let's take a closer look at each of these lessons in turn. The first lesson asks, what was life like during the Ice Age? Pupils will learn that much of Northern Europe was covered in glaciers for the majority of the Stone Age, and also be introduced to some prehistoric animals that roamed Britain, including woolly mammoths and cave lions. Lesson 2 asks, what tools did early humans use? Pupils will learn about the evolution of Neanderthals and Homo sapiens, and how these human species migrated to Britain from mainland Europe using a land bridge. Then, the 3 main eras of the Stone Age, the Paleolithic era, Mesolithic era and Neolithic era, will be explored, with the development in stone tools set out. Lesson 3 asks, what was life like in a Stone Age settlement? Pupils will learn how hunter-gatherer humans gradually began to settle more permanently as they learnt to fish and farm. Features of Neolithic roundhouses will also be explored. Lesson 4 asks, why was bronze used for tools and weapons? Pupils will learn about the discovery of metal and its advantages over stone and bone tools. They'll also be introduced to the beaker culture and the migration of ideas. Finally, a case study on the Burton Hoard is included. Lesson 5 asks, what can we learn from Skara Brae and other Stone Age sites? Pupils will have a chance to look at photos of real Stone Age settlement and how the homes were organised. They'll also investigate the mystery of Stonehenge. And the final lesson, lesson 6, asks pupils, what were the major differences between the different eras of the Stone Age? This extended written response gives pupils a chance to consolidate their knowledge of the period, whilst also engaging in the second order concept of change over time. This unit gives pupils a solid grounding in some of the key knowledge associated with prehistoric Britain. However, this is clearly a huge period of time, and there are plenty of opportunities to further explore pupils' interests and enrich the unit with practical activities. We hope that you enjoy teaching this Pearson unit on prehistoric Britain, and that your students enjoy learning all about it.
The video ends here.